Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha. Otubele. Otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha. Otubele. Otukala. Wajabari.
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Seba.
Watombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Seba.
Na tombolaka.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Seba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi gana ni yembiri kyao na ni yembiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
tomolotonda kundiri mwamba o Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya ya tomba mbongo yaye kiadi yaye attack Deba Ula Yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokela
yokela kanti ni ayokela yokele kanti ni ayokele
sadila ntangu watiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsunguma desiberi gana ni yembiri kyao na yembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
na lamba mwamba lamba supwe
Seba.
na tombolaka
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Seba.
wafinga mfundi
Bimba.
Songi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo. Rana bandu butapachikana kutela. Samu moshukwa unkwamisa ni wa mabuta. Kabu njisisansa bala. Choma mbukwamba kiri. Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako.
Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Munsongi.
Songela njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda. Chimao chinazakala kulongo. Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo. Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu. Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu. Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando.
Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Najika, naebesa, naluika, kabutabako. Kanilumbu, nsalambanza. Munsongi.
Songela njila.
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 Munsongi.
Songela njila. Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba. Kusangi nikota njecha musu nimbala banku ni mama lemba. Nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba. Mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba. Nti wala 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 wala. Wala. Wamena. uninitomba mama lemba nje ninalamba mwana yake chamuzuna ni chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana wanla mama lembe amama ngana nzile tolokolo jako mama lembe chiwalla nzadiambuka elemenenaga ndekusomamba diambu dikayemenenaga ndekusomamba ni diambu dia ntoto ubungu ntoto wega ndekusomamba wena chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemenenaga ndekusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele ukelo wo ulutauwa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kendo mukendo ebuta zolota ni mwando fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba c'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes talati nkelo wa malemba iwo uganaka dzunu kubishimbamu eka bo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene naga ndeko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china
Yambote nengotadiwa. Mbona Yambote nengotadiwa. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, nuna mavimpi.
Ingeta tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Okay, Yambote. Let me just greet the audience. Hello, welcome if you are watching. We thank you. This is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. Recap. We're going back to present perfect indicative. Let me just share my. It was here. Okay, 1 minute. Actually, I'm going to test you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready. I'm ready. How do you say that in
Okay.
Kikongo?
Sorry?
How do I say I'm ready in Kikongo?
Wakuba Mangina. Wakuba
Kum-
Mangina.
Kuba.
Kubama.
Kubamuna.
Kubama. Kubama. Kubama.
Or Kubama.
Yeah. Wakuba Mangina. Okay.
Kuba
Can you see my
Mangina.
screen?
Yes, I
it
can see it
visible?
clearly.
Let me just. Yeah. Okay. Give me 1 second. These always have. Tata David should be coming soon.
Okay.
Yes. Make it bigger. Yeah. Yes. Then I'll tell you what. If you can. Sorry, 1 minute. Yes. Can you see? If you drop the N, then you will have your second, third, and so on, plural as well. Yes. Dia, to eat. I've eaten. D, remember? First singular always.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yes,
If
I
you drop
remember.
your M, sorry, could be N or M, your nasal. If you drop the letter for the nasal. So could you please, can you carry on from second singular to third plural, please?
Okay. So it's DD.
Mm-hmm.
DD.
Yeah, mm-hmm.
Then
Yes.
it's TADD.
Sorry? You
TADD for the
done
first.
well. Second plural, sorry. Second and third singular. Can you say that again, please? Second and third
Yes,
singular.
the second singular is DD.
Yes. Then
Then
first
the
plural.
third is the same. It's DD also.
First plural.
Oh, the first plural, I think it's TADD.
Two.
2DD.
2DD, yeah. The second plural.
2DD, sorry. 2DD. Then LUDD.
Yes.
Then BADD.
Yeah, but DD. Well done. Yes. I mean, this is from. I can show you now. I just selected some, not all of them, because other verbs are very hard. Keep it
Yeah, the
simple.
others are difficult, but the dia is easy.
Sorry?
Yes. The others are difficult, but dia is easy.
Yeah, this one, the pattern is clear. Yes. You just drop your N, first plural. Sorry. Just drop the N for first singular, then carry on. The second one, please. Kosoka, to sit down.
Kosokele. Then it's Kosokele. Then Kosokele
Sorry?
again.
The first.
The third singular is
First singular.
the first singular is Nkosokele.
Yeah,
Nkosokele.
yes.
Then the second one is Kosokele.
Yes,
then the third singular is Kosokele. Kyambote. And then the first plural is Tukosokele. Right?
Yes.
Okay, then it's Lukosokele. Then Bakosokele. I think.
Well done. Hello, Tata Davidi. Tata David, how are you?
Kyambote.
Tata David. Okay. Sister Ondele. Tata David, we just, I mean, out of, I don't know how many were there. I think there were 12. Anyway. Okay, sorry. When you're rushing, you always make mistake. Give me 1 minute. Don't worry about the numbers on that fine. I mean the order. Yes. Tata David, these are the, of course, from present perfect indicative. I've selected some easiest, the easy one from verbs. From, remember our list where they have 12. So this one, on this one, you just drop. Remember the key word. The key is the first singular is your nasal. To carry on from second singular, you just drop the nasal. Then I think you know for sure what you're going to do on when it comes to plural. Plural, remember the formula, personal pronoun. Number 31, what is a formula?
It's too luba.
Yeah. Look at that. Yes. Okay, let me just try to. Yeah, tell them just drop N, yeah, and the nasal, yes? From
So
the
just
second, the first one,
Didi, Kosukele, Sadidi, Sevele, Sungamene, Tweste, Vilakene.
right there. Okay, can you do from just this verb, Tata David, please? No. Okay, this dia, to eat, from first to the last one, to third plural, please.
Okay, so do we have to combine these? Is it Didi?
No,
or do I transform the verb ja?
Yeah, ndidi is there. Your first singular, ndidi, yes. From the second, you drop the N. Don't worry about the nasal. Yeah. From second, you carry on without the nasal, without N, Tata David, yes.
Okay. So Kudidi.
No, from the second, your verb is the second. First is ndidi, the second one dd, the third dd, then ludidi. Sorry, tudidi, ludidi, yes.
Ludidi and badidi.
Yeah. Is it clear, Tata David? So we're dropping N, then we carry on with the DD. Can you say that again? Can you go back, Tata David, from the second?
Yes. Okay. So don't we transform DD by adding the ka or ku that we would for?
No. Don't worry. You just drop you just drop the nasal N. Could be M. Because on first singular, we have a nasal DD. So from the second, I'm dropping nasal, I'm dropping the N, DD, second singular, DD, third singular. And Colonel Tata David, first plural. Then
so that would be 2DD.
2DD, yes.
Yes, and then Ludidi.
Yes.
And Badidi.
Yeah, Badidi, yes.
Badidi.
Yes. Yeah. If you say, you know, like Congo, if you say Badidi, mean you're adamant.
Yeah.
So Badidi, name what did you hear that?
Yes.
If you pronounce Badidi, mean that this person you are adamant. So make sure you got your nasal, your long vowel. Well, thank you, Tata David. Can you try the second one, Tata David?
Yes,
Kosoka to sit, yeah. Kosokele, can you try the first
Kosokele,
person? Yeah. Drop the N down.
Kosokele,
Mhm,
Kosokele,
mhm.
Tu Kosokele, Lu Kosokele,
Well done.
Ba Kosokele.
Thank you, bravo. Then go tell you a Salah. Salah, short vowel, work.
Salah. Okay.
Mhm,
Sadidi,
mhm,
then Sadidi,
mhm,
then Sadidi,
mhm.
then Tu Sadidi,
Yes.
Lu Sadidi, and
Mhm.
finally Ba Sadidi.
Yeah, Basadi, yeah. Tata David, Seva, to laugh.
Mm-hmm. So
Sevele. Mhm,
Sevele,
mhm.
Sevele,
Well done.
Sevele,
Mhm,
and then Tu Sevele,
yeah.
Lu Sevele,
Mhm.
and Ba Sevele.
The Sevele, yeah, very bravo. Name what I do, Sungamena. To remember.
Sungamen. Okay.
Tungamene.
Sungamene.
Tungamene. Be careful, there's a long vowel. Tungamene.
Okay. Sorry. Sungamene. Then Sungamene. Then Sungamene. Tu Sungamene. Lu Sungamene. Ba Sungamene.
Bravo. Tata David, Twala. To bring, yes. Ntwe. Remember Nelson Ntwe?
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's a big transformation from Twila to Twese.
This is,
They don't
this is
seem
Bantu
to be
language. Yeah,
connected at all.
you're
Uh,
right. Yeah, no way, no way.
yeah, okay. Well, Twese,
Mm,
Twese,
mm,
Twese,
mm.
uh, Tu Quese,
Yes.
Luquese,
Tuese, be careful,
Bequese.
there's no tuese, yes. Lu tuese, yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so Lutwese
Mm.
and
But,
Batwese.
well done. Thank you very much. Then what I do, Villa Cana, to forget.
Vila Kene.
Mm.
Vila Kene. Vila Kene. Tu Vila Kene.
Mm.
Lu Vila Kene. Ba Vila Kene.
Tutundele, well done. at, at least on this verse, we have a pattern. Yeah, tell David.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. As soon as you drop your first singular and you can carry on. No worries. Just make sure there's no nasal. But see here, well, you didn't point at. You did say last time. You did say see. See, brother. Say 1 minute.
Greetings, everyone.
Yambote.
Kimbute.
Kiambote.
Remember Vimpi. How are you, brother?
Oh, doing pretty good. Running a little late, of course, but as
No
you can
worries.
see.
Yeah. It is Sunday and early where you are.
Hmm?
Yeah. How is the weather there? Is it hot?
Oh, it's hot. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Let's just go back. We just have to try to help the brother quickly. Oh, sorry, I come from the phone. Where is it here? Yes, we. Yes.
Suspicious activity.
So these are our verbs. I mean, out of we kept how many are there? 6, 7, 8, I think. We just kept 7. Yeah, out of 12, 7. These are easy. I mean, this is we can master this one. I mean, in terms of standard, you just drop your N, which is your nasal, the first singular, Then you carry on with that nasal. Let me just try to help here. D is first singular. The second, you drop the N, you just go D. Second singular. D, same thing as third singular. Then first plural, your pronoun, the formula. Tuluba.
Oh, I was on I was on mute. I didn't know it. To Didi. First in the
Can you
plural,
start from the beginning, please? Indeedy.
Indeedy.
Be careful,
Indeedy.
brother. You don't use indeedy. Can you try it again? You don't read the N. N is for your nasal.
Yeah, I know it's hard. It's hard though. Okay, Didi.
No, not your fault. It's hard. Didi, yes.
Didi.
Well done.
Didi.
Well done, yeah.
Didi.
Yes. Be careful now. First plural.
To
Remember
Didi.
your pronoun. Well done.
Lou Didi.
Second plural.
Lou
Yes.
Didi.
Yep.
And
Yes.
Ba Didi.
I just said to Tata, David, make sure you pronounce correctly Badidi, because if you say Badidi, you mean you are adamant.
Okay, Ba Didi.
Badidi, the long vowel. Badidi.
Okay, Ba Didi.
Yes. Tutondele. Can you try this one, Salah, to work? Tadidi.
Okay, let me see. Okay, Sa Didi.
Tadidi.
Wait.
Be careful the nasal. Tadidi. Yes.
Sa Didi. Did I say it right?
Tadidi, yeah, the first singular. Tadidi, yes.
Sa Didi.
Yes. Second.
Sa Didi.
Yes.
Sa Didi.
Yes.
To Sa Didi.
Bravo.
Lu Sa Didi.
Yes.
And Ba Sa Didi. I'm trying to say it.
Yes. Yeah, well done. Bravo. Can you try the last one? Vila Kana. Vila Kene. The first nasal always. Vila Kene. Remember the long vowel.
Vila Kane.
Yes. You drop the nasal. You dropping the nasal. Yes. Second.
Okay.
Vila Kene. Yeah.
Vila Kane.
Mm-hmm.
Vila Kane.
Vila Kene. Mm-hmm.
Vila Kane. That would be the
Mm-hmm.
third. To Vila Kane.
Well done.
Lu Vila Kane.
Yes.
Ba Vila Kane.
Bravo. It's not easy. Yeah, thank you very much. That was 7 out of 12. You think, yeah? Because
Yeah.
check this out. If you, I'm going to show something here. Very hard. Tata, David, remember this one? Mona to see.
Mm-hmm.
Tata, David.
Oh yes, Mona to have seen.
To see. The first thing is nothing to do with the infinitive. Can you see? The other one is land, to follow. Then okay. Thank you very much. Let us go back to any question on this one?
No.
Otherwise we'll jump into usual. Are we fine?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry, you don't need to remember all the verbs, just focus on this one. We should be okay. two-tone. Oh, 1 minute. Let me share my. Yes. Let's share my file. Uthokozi Makiambi. Tata Devi. Can you translate my Kikongo, please? Remember.
Oh yes. Way back to the beginning.
Uthokozi.
Oh wow.
Sorry?
Oh no, just I'm looking for it.
Sorry, Tata Devi, sorry.
Yes, you want me to read the front page?
No, I was saying Kikongo. Uthokozi Makiambi. Remember Uthokozi. Remember the word Uthokozi. But remember,
Gratitude.
Yes, ingratitude, Uthokozi. Yeah, it is God. Hence, we are going to say thank you to Tata Makondekwa and Professor Hazel Carter. Yes, they did well. I mean, realize, but this is in terms of learning Kikongo. This is unique. This guy, this mama. Yes, very good. Okay, let us jump. Okay. Tata, you there? Tata, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Okay, just remember we have Tony pronoun. I mean, okay, anyway, just put aside. We're not dealing with that today. Let us focus on, but you know, mono is pronoun, Tony pronoun. If I say ita, ikwenda, it is subject pronoun, the standard pronoun. Tata Dev, yes, personal pronoun. Yes. Because Kikongo we use both, you know, we use both in the same sentence. Okay, Nzolevo walongoka. Nzolevo walongoka.
Can you repeat that first one? You how would you say that in Zol?
Nzolelevo walongoka.
Okay.
Yambote isinga longoka. This one, make sure you. Can you see the acute accent? Yes. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Imperative in Kikongo. Tata David, over to you. The first line and then what I do at the second, please.
Okay. Nzolelevo walongoka.
Thank you.
Diambote isinga longoka.
Yambote isinga longoka. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I want and then what I do to change this one. It's you, but you singular, you many.
Mhm.
Can you try to put it you many in this sentence? I mean this verb.
Is it lulongoka?
Bravo. Lulongoka or Lualongoka, yes?
Lalongoka.
Basically, you put it
Nzolelevo.
Lualongoka or Lulongoka. It does not say. Dr. David, did you get that? Dr. David. You could say Lulongoka or Lualongoka. When I say Lualongoka, I'm just it is the same thing. I'm using you instead of Debbie or other way around.
But it's still correct to say Lu Walongoka, or you could drop the wa and say Lulongoka.
Correct. Yes. That's okay. Let make it easy. Forget about it. Let's make it easy. Lulongoka. Yes. We I know you remember Tuluba, yeah? Don't worry, yes? Tata David, yes?
Yes.
Just kiss it is the standard. We stick to the standard, yes. Okay. Then look at the when done, yes. Okay, Tata David, yeah, you answer. Your answer is us. We. Tata, then what I do again? The Lulongoka, yes.
Nzolelevo Lulongoka.
Mm-hmm. Tata David,
Okay. Jambote. Isinga Lu Longoka. Oh, Jambote. Isinga Lu Longoka.
you told we, your pronoun is here. You change it here. Tata David. We.
Lusinga?
Remember Tulu.
Oh, Tu Longoka.
No, two single.
I understand your logic, Tata David, but we using we have auxiliary. Our pronoun is here.
Oh,
Don't worry
right.
about
I
it.
will. So yes.
We
Tu
change it
Singa.
here.
Jambote Tu Singa Longoka.
Yeah, bravo. Tata Audi, are you there? Yes.
Yes.
Tata David, go again. You do the first line, then Tata Audi the second line.
Okay.
Tata Audi, remember your answer is we. We many, yes, of course we many.
Mm-hmm.
First plural.
Zolele Vo Lu Longoka.
Thank you.
Diambote Tusinga Lulongaka. I mean Lulonga.
Bravo. Longoka. Yeah, bravo. Yes. Number 30, are you okay? Yeah, correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, another test. Third person. I want him, her to learn.
Is it casting?
Uh,
I mean Kalongo.
who do you want to start?
That name what I do, please. The first line, sorry.
Okay, fine. Nzolelevo. Is it Kalongoka?
Bravo, yes. Zevo Kalongoka. Yes. Remember third the singular Tata David, Tata Abi.
Um in Zole Vo you said third
No, Tata Abi, sorry. Mom, it's me, my mistake. Don't worry. Name what I was reading the first singular. No, third singular. Your answer is the same. Just use the first singular here.
okay
Again, name what I do again, please.
Diambote Nsinga Longoka.
Sorry again. Diambote.
Diambote man, kind of caught there. Is it in Nsinga?
Kasinga Longoka, yes.
Kasinga Longaka.
Longoka, yes. Yeah, although there's a nuance between another Osinga, but we keep Isinga, Kasinga. Tutondele. Ndorevo Walanda. Tata Audrey. Ndorevo Walanda. First line, Tata Audrey. Then second line, Tata David, please.
Am I repeating? Am I saying it exactly how it is?
Please, yes.
In Zolalevo Walanda.
Ndorevo Walanda. Remember, Nezo, can you try that again? Your Nezo? Nzolelevo Walanda. Tata Audrey, please.
Zolalevo Walanda.
Thank you, Tata David.
Jambote Isinga Landa.
Yeah, thank you very much. Tata Audrey Nzolevo
Nzolele vo.
No, question to you. That I want, okay. I don't have to change it. Okay, let's just keep the first one as it is. The second part, you change it to we. I mean, yes.
Nzolele vo Tulanda. Tulanda.
Yeah, let me just start with it. Tulanda. Just drop WA. Just
Tulanda.
Yes. Remember, first, let me just try to. Plural, just remember your root tuluba, just keep the verb. That's what it is.
Yes.
Just keep the verb. Don't worry about, just drop anything before the verb, any prefix. You keep your verb as it is. Am I clear that yes?
Yes.
When it comes to plural, don't worry about the prefix. Just use your formula. Tuluba formula, yes. Zolovo Tulanda. Some people will say Tulanda. Don't worry, it's correct, but just stick to this one. Tulanda. Yeah. You see with this one,
Tulanda.
yes. Okay, Dr. David, your answer. We here as well. Same we everywhere.
Okay, Jambute,
Tata,
Kusingalanda.
Thank you. Again, Tata David, Tata the first line, then Tata David second.
Zolele vo Tulanda.
Thank you.
Jambute, Kusingalanda.
Tutundele. Any questions?
No.
Yeah, the pattern is the pattern clear, Tata David, yes? When it comes to plural, just remember you got your verb, any prefix, drop it, just swap, put your whatever, I don't know, maybe first, second plural, or third plural. Zolovo walwaka. Name what Tata Davis. Name what the first line, please.
Nzolele vo walwaka.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Jambute, Isinga Luaka.
Yes. Tutundele. That's how the first line, please. Nzolevo wakota.
Nzolele vo Wakota.
Tata David, please.
Jambute, Isinga Kota.
Kota. You're right, Tata David, but it is a mistake. Usually, the question is imperative. You give the accent. Yeah? The answer just no accent. Yeah. Nzolevo wakota. Tutundele. Ngotadiwa. Nzolevo wa finama. Tata Audi, the second line.
Kiambote Nsinga Finama. Finama.
Tata, Nengotadiwa, please go back again. Tata Audi, 1 minute, please. Nengotadiwa, the first line. Then second line, Tata Audi. Don't worry about this mistake. Accent is always on the question. The answer should be the second line. Don't worry about the accent.
Nzolele vo wa finama.
Diambote Nsinga
Finama, yes.
Finama.
Yes.
Am I saying Finama right, or is it Finama?
Yeah, it's fine.
Like that?
There's a nuance. I mean, people say Finama, but generally speaking, question is imperative is all accent. Then your answer should be without We've heard the accent. Tutondele. Nzolelevo wavunda. Tato David. Name what I do a second line. Tato David, please.
Nzolelevo wavunda.
Diambote isinga vunda.
Tato David again. Remember Kikongo. Long vowel is the soul. I mean, the tone is the soul of Kikongo language. Again, Tato David.
Nzolelevo wavunda.
Thank you.
Diambote isinga vunda.
Isinga vunda. Yes. Nzolelevo wa yambula. Tata Audi Nzolelevo wa yambula.
Nzolelevo, wait, say that again.
Nzolelevo wa yambula.
Nzolelevo Wayambula.
Can you say that again? Remember the nasal, you don't read N. I know it's hard. Nzolelevo wa yambula. Tata Audi, please.
Nzolelevo Wayambula.
Then what tell you a second line, please?
Diambote isinga yambula.
Okay, two tones. I think we okay, just this one, the last one. Dr. David, remember you have your vowel, long vowel here.
Okay.
Yindula. Think.
All right. Nzolelevo wayindula.
Thank you. Then what tell the second line?
Diambote isinga yindula.
Yambo tisinga yindula. Yeah, two tone dele. Two younger. Thank you. You done well. You are brave people. You know? Well done. Two tone dele. We're done for today. Have a good week. Wenda Kiambote.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala Kimbote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bombele meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Yeno luvo vangabo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala ku bizatala kwenwe